Hello everyone, welcome back to our Insolidum Lawyers channel, the space where we break down complex legal topics and make them accessible to everyone. In today's video, we are going to unpack a term that's on everyone's lips and is making big waves in the legal industry: blockchain. That's right, today we're talking about blockchain and why, as lawyers, it's critical that we have a solid understanding of this technology. With the advent of emerging technologies, lawyers now have to familiarize themselves with terms like blockchain, smart contracts, and cryptocurrencies, which are already beginning to impact various areas of the law. So sit back, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of blockchain. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is blockchain? At its core, blockchain, or chain of blocks, is a distributed ledger technology. Imagine a ledger book that updates in real time and is accessible to everyone on the network. That's the basic concept of blockchain. Each block in this chain contains transaction information and is immutable, i.e., once a block has been added to the chain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This immutability brings a level of security and transparency that is truly revolutionary. So why does this matter to lawyers? Well, first off, blockchain is redefining how transactions are carried out. For instance, smart contracts, which are contracts that are auto-executed using computer code, are changing the way we think about contract formation and execution. Furthermore, blockchain's ability to provide unalterable proof of transactions can have significant implications for dispute resolution and evidence collection. Secondly, blockchain is also changing the way we think about property and asset transfer. For instance, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are changing the way artists and creators sell and distribute their work, raising new questions about intellectual property rights. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, blockchain is creating new ways of interacting and doing business that are outside of existing legal and regulatory frameworks. This raises a host of complex legal and ethical questions. For example, how are cryptocurrencies regulated? How is privacy and personal data protected on a blockchain? How are disputes resolved on the blockchain? As lawyers, we need to understand these issues in order to effectively advise our clients in this new landscape. In short, blockchain is here to stay, and lawyers who don't catch up will be left behind. Smart contracts are software programs that run on the blockchain. Their name can be a bit misleading because, although they can be used to implement contract terms, they are not smart in the sense that they can think or make decisions on their own. Instead, smart contracts execute automatically according to predefined rules. Imagine a lease agreement that auto-abates when rent is not paid, or travel insurance that pays out automatically when a flight is delayed. These are examples of what can be done with smart contracts. They eliminate the need for intermediaries and can make transactions more efficient, transparent, and secure. From a legal perspective, smart contracts can change the way business is conducted. As more and more transactions move to the blockchain, we may see a shift towards contracts that self-execute and self-manage. This could lead to increased automation and efficiency, but it also raises new legal questions. What happens when something goes wrong with a smart contract? How are disputes resolved? And how do smart contracts integrate with existing laws and regulations? Therefore, it is crucial for us as legal professionals to understand how smart contracts work, how they are being used in different sectors, and what legal and regulatory challenges they pose. As lawyers, we are in a unique position to help shape the future of this technology and ensure its use in a way that is fair and beneficial to all. The use of blockchain technology has numerous legal implications, some of which are still being explored and fully understood. It's an emerging and dynamic field, and one that presents challenges and opportunities for legal practitioners. One of the main challenges is jurisdiction. Since blockchain is a decentralized technology that operates globally, determining which laws and regulations apply to a particular transaction can be complex. This is a particularly relevant challenge in the case of cryptocurrencies and smart contracts, which can be created and executed anywhere in the world. Another significant legal implication is privacy and data protection. While transactions on the blockchain are pseudonymous and transparent, once they are entered into the chain, they can't be altered or deleted. This can have implications for privacy rights and compliance with data protection laws, such as the General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union. In addition, the use of smart contracts can raise interesting legal issues. How are errors or fraud in a self-executing contract dealt with? Who is liable if a smart contract doesn't function as expected? And if a transaction on the blockchain violates the law, how can it be reversed or remedied? These are just some of the legal issues that blockchain raises. For legal practitioners, it's essential to understand these implications and how can they be managed. As blockchain technology continues to evolve and is used in more and more areas of life and business, lawyers who understand these issues will be well positioned to advise their clients and help shape the future of this technology. But it's also an exciting time to be in the field of law. Blockchain offers the opportunity to rethink and reshape many aspects of our legal system, from how contracts are made to how financial transactions are conducted. And lawyers who understand and are comfortable with this technology will be the ones to lead the way. Preparing for the blockchain era is a fascinating and exciting challenge for any lawyer. First and foremost, education and ongoing training are essential. Blockchain technology is rapidly evolving, and it's crucial to keep up with the latest developments and understand how they affect the legal field. There are many resources available, including online courses, conferences, webinars, and specialized technology and law publications. In addition, it's beneficial to familiarize yourself with the technology itself. This doesn't necessarily mean you need to become a tech expert, but having a basic understanding of how blockchain works, what smart contracts are, and how cryptocurrencies operate will give you an edge. Thirdly, it's important to understand the regulatory impact. Legal and regulatory frameworks are struggling to catch up with blockchain technology, and lawyers should be alert to these changes. This might involve monitoring regulatory bodies' actions, participating in discussion forums, and consulting with experts in the field. Another strategy is specialization. Since blockchain has applications across a wide range of industries, from finance to healthcare, logistics, real estate, and more, it could be valuable to specialize in one or more of these sectors. This will not only give you a deeper understanding of how blockchain is used in a particular context, but could also open up new job and collaboration opportunities. Finally, don't be afraid of innovation. The blockchain era presents challenges, but also great opportunities. Lawyers who are able to embrace the technology, adapt to new legal frameworks, and find creative solutions to novel legal problems will be in the best position to succeed in the blockchain era. Remember, change can be a great opportunity if you're willing to embrace it. So there you have it. A brief introduction to blockchain and its impact on the legal world. From understanding what blockchain is and how it works, to appreciating the revolution that smart contracts are bringing to business transactions, we've covered some of the most fundamental concepts. We've also explored the legal implications of this technology and the need for a regulatory framework to accompany it. And last but not least, we talk about how lawyers can and should prepare for this new horizon. Let's remember that we live in a constantly evolving world, and blockchain technology is just one of many innovations that are redefining the way that we live and work. As lawyers, it's our duty to stay abreast of these trends and understand how they impact our practice. Let's not be afraid to delve into these new waters. While the path may be seen challenging, with the right education and an open attitude to change, we are confident that we can successfully navigate the blockchain era. Remember, this is just the beginning of our journey in exploring blockchain. In the upcoming videos, we'll delve even deeper into the details of this exciting technology. So stay tuned and please feel free to leave your questions and comments. Until next time.